Okay guys, this video will teach you how to correct the color. Sometimes you print out the picture and you find the picture the color is not original or the color cannot match with the picture. So you can do some little adjustment for the software, for the RIP software. So first we insert the USB key, the blue USB key on the computer. Then we open the RIP software, the focus group, the RIP print here, open it, and then we load the picture, any picture to the software, and also we can right click to choose the output printer size, for example 20 centimeter, for example, and then if then we go to print, and here we can choose the ICC profile. So this ICC profile for different resolution and different ink, hot UV, soft UV. So you need to ask a focus support team for which ICC profile is suitable for your ink and for your machine. So if you think the color is not original, it's not good, you can try one by one to check which one is better for you, for your machine, for your ink and for your color, as different people have different judgment and feeling for different ink and different color. So you can check one by one for which one is better for you. And also you can go to advanced and you can open a use ICC option. So if you open this use ICC option, the ink will be more dark and the grayscale will be better, but it's not too shiny. So if you want the little ink, you just close off. If you want the picture is printed more dark, you can open the ICC profile. So normally we if you print some picture without the face, like this person face, you can close off, you can close on. And if you want to print some picture like trees or flowers, we can close off. So that's depend on different picture and different design. You can choose on or off. So this is the first. So the first way is for choose the correct ICC profile to change, to little adjust the color. And the option 2 is to go to advanced and you open or close the ICC function. So this is the option 2. And option 3, you can also go to the CMYK LCM, close, open it, and you can see here the slot KCMY and LCOM. So here you can do little adjustment for each color. For example, you think after print, you think the black is not enough. It's gray, it's not a black, pure black. So you can increasing the ink limit for only for black. So here we will not change other colors, it will be only change the black. And 9 means 9%. So maximum is 100% for increasing and minus 100% for decreasing. So you can increase or reduce for correct color. And also black, cyan, magenta, yellow, LCOM, we can also little adjust. That depend on the print out the picture. After you check which color you need to adjust, little adjust. So for example, after print by this ICC profile, Fox1 CMYK CM model, we find out the black is not black enough, so we can increase for 10% first for try, and then we click OK, and here just no change, and here no change, and then after the adjustment we click OK. Then we go choose OK. Here we automatically to let you to rename the new ICC profile. So you can go by copy one, rename it copy one, and then you choose the copy one to print again to check the color. If the color still not enough, you can go to also little adjust by other ink limit to make a new ICC profile for little adjustment. So this is the option 3 to little adjust the color. Then you go to print to check, to save the file for print. Okay, so then you load this file to control software for printing. Then there's another option, you can also do some adjustments. If this is not working, and you can go to click this icon and you go to color management. And here, for example, we take this one for basic calibration, and we go to editor. And first we must copy the original ICC profile. Otherwise, the replacement we cannot go back. So we copy it and rename by for example new one ICC profile. Okay, then we go exit, and then we choose the new one. We rename this ICC profile. Then we go start modify here, and here see there's the cube adjustment. And for example, we think black not enough, we go to choose the black, and here we can increase the ink limit only for black. For example, we increasing 10%, will be 0.0, for example 0.10 means 0.10 means 0.1 means 10, increasing 10%, and go left, it means to reduce the ink limit. If you reduce the ink limit for black, the black will be not black enough, and if you increasing, the black will more black ink come out to make the color more black. And also the here you can this not need to change, and after you change you need to choose apply to save it. And here you can also do some little adjustments for any different color for different percent for grayscale adjustment. But here we strongly recommend you to not change it, because if you change it, all the picture, the color will be changed. So must be careful. This one actually no need to change, especially you have a professional skills for the ICC profile technology. Otherwise, you just as keep default, no change. And here you can also for cube adjustment, and also here requirement you have the full technology for ICC profile making. Otherwise, it also keep default. So you for the freshman not full understand the machine and not full understand the color and the rip, is better for just change from here. It's the most simple way. So this is the option 4 to little change the ink limit for correct the color. So after you change the ink limit, then we can go save and exit. Maybe show you modify finish. So you got a new ICC profile, new one with the new ICC profile after you increasing 10% for the black ink, and also you can increasing for other ink at the same way. So after that, we just go exit. When we go back to the picture and we choose print, we just choose the new one ICC profile to check the color. So this is the old procedure to and solution to correct and little adjust for the color that you to match with the original picture and the print result. So okay, let's generally speak. The option 1 is for choose the original ICC profile and check any ICC profile is suitable for your requirement. So the option 1 to choose the correct. Check each column ICC profile. The option 1 and option 2 is called advanced open or closed ICC option, and the option 3 is to adjust the ink limit from here to increase or reduce or increasing for each color, and then save it. And option 4 is for go to reprint and color management, and here we can choose the original IC profile, and we copy, rename, and then we go to modify. We go to modify to little adjust the ink limit from here for basic requirement, and also you can little adjustment from here and also from here and from here if you have strong knowledge for the color management. So otherwise for freshman, just change adjust from here for collect the color. And also if you still think it's not the original, so that require you have the I1 scanner like this one to, but this is what you need to buy from the market. Almost the price almost $2,000 or $3,000 to buy this scanner to scan the print out the color bar and get a new IC profile suitable for your material and suitable for your ink and suitable for your print models. So if you are not strong requirement, just the full option is enough for little adjustment for the current IC profile. So this is all the procedure and all the method to change and little adjustment for the color management. So if you have any other questions, you can ask for the support team to get more technology and get more support and help to little adjustment and collect the color as you want. Okay, so any question you can ask Master B from Focus, and then you can contact with Focus support team. Thank you. Bye.